Hallo and good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Mijn naam is Viggy. En ik maak live videos.
Mostly of Yiddish.
Van me vangt in de handige video, please consider liking, sharing en subscribing. Nou, die kent weer naar channel member, hit the join button. Ze gaat een lange, riesige, awesome way. Zelfde als de channel meer, so thank you. Ook het van me gaat wat wil ik zoeken. Ik ga gepost de adres dat ik wil schikken a box, a package to the unboxing videos. Ja, to de adres. Mensen hebben me gevraagd ervoor. En ook het van me gaat anywhere. Dat verzoeken. Het is 100% positively, absolutely, nicht financial advice. We nemen het in de Groendoerse staat. Not financial advice, so please be very careful. De market is wegnemen alles voor die huis, dat vullen we die barks. Niet gelijk wie ze die heist. Kijk eens wie een kind oder wie een adult speelt Lego en weiß nicht, was tut. Which we're okay with. So please. All right, let's get right into it. David, good morning, David. How you doing? Wie ist dann so free? Ich hab dann Kaffee gewinnt, fein und ich gehabt, aber Shlomi Tinauer. We got a new guy. Good morning, Shlomi. How you doing? Will you do a review on Nachi and Chaimo? Most probably. Most probably. Ich war bis der Neues kommt herup. Once der Neues kommt herup, jeder sieht es. Es ist schon nicht a hot Sach, a hot ticket item. I just gotta be ready. I gotta be mentally ready. But Shlomi, welcome. This Nai of the chat? Don't remember seeing you, but welcome, welcome. North Korea is sending thousands of military construction workers to aid reconstruction in Russia's Kursk region. It must be so interesting for them to go out from the North Korea in Zayn, den draußen die Welt. It's so funny to do a report as I seine geworden addicted to porn in the front lines. Zij komen van een kleine, insular community and all of a sudden gaan ze to the große, riesige Welt and they find out a lot of things. Israel's strikes on Iran have been reported, escalating tensions between the Middle East and President Trump, condemning that the U.S. knows the location of Iran's supreme leader, but not targeting him for now. Just imagine, the sitting president zegt, ins weiß mir wie die behaltst dich. Ins weiß mir von welcher Lächel die bist denn. You better behave. You better behave. Vader heb ik hem eraan in klas. A firefighter was active at a site hit by a drone. Oei wei. Wat je ganze vergessen von de Gaza, wat vergessen von de protests. Jetzt ist mir gegangen zu Iran. Nunus, Nayas. Tomorrow is Ziegemacht the market, yes. So wir machen eine Review in der Früh. Was ist Donnerstag sind ich do Thursday night sind ich do kann lives Thursday night. Juneteenth. Ich mein Biden hat das herangeschrieben in Zillow. Biden hat es geschrieben. Der Lot ist kleben. Juneteenth. A legal holiday, Juneteenth. Frag mich nicht exactly was Juneteenth is. Because I don't know. I don't know. Gold is up. Gold is 3,400 in $7. Sie hängt ja nicht in der Neighborhood. Mal sehen, was geschieht. Der Spy, ich gewinne echt ein 6. Jetzt kommen wir im Hand mit 6 und es ist halb auf 598. Der Dow is 42,211. Struggelt er immer ein bisschen in der Neighborhood. Wenn er so struggelt, meine ich, liegt es damals so in der Neighborhood. Er sitzt da drin, kickt mich nicht umkriegen. Starting quite quiet today. It's just you and me, sir. It's just you and me. Playing footsie with our feet. Joking. Joking away. Nicht jeden Tag ist das so interessant. Nicht jeden Tag ist das auch wow. People have lives, you know what I'm saying? Bitcoin 104. Just imagine, einer hat es gekauft bei 4.000. Und jeder Coin ist wert mit dahinter mehr. 10 Coins, $1 million. Just like that. 20 Coins, 2 Millionen. Wer hat sich noch vorgestellt? No one. Absolutely no one. Jetzt kijkt ons wie du da Trendline. In sehen wir Trendline of Bitcoin. So 3. 1, 2 und 3. Okay, nochmal sehen, was sie do. Darf sich auslernen für Nächten. Nächten, ich gewähne a lesson day, I guess. In the trading. A volcano, by the way, had erupted in Mountain Litobi in Lake, Indonesia. Ich habe gesehen Videos davon Nächten. Mother Nature has got some power, my man. Mother Nature has got some oomph zu sich. She, man rief Mother Nature als she. In Shanghai, a remote control robot was used to promote beer, highlighting innovation marketing. Okay. Man richtet sich towards robots. Meine prediction is, als in 14, 15 Jahren hat jeder Household hat mal Robot. Keili also wie ein humanoid Robot. Hat er im Wacken. Du wird, wie sie gewähnt danach. Wieso ist Nancy free? Komm mal, such mir den Gebari. Family B. Good morning, Family B. How's it going? How's your day? Ist eine stille Nacht? Das kein ist gewähnt bei Lacht. Didn't sleep yet. Oi, weit, over. Sleep is sehr wichtig, especially for the mental health. Usually, wenn einer fängt gehen ein bisschen besuchen, hat das eine Sache zu tun mit Stability und Schlafen. Ein Bett. Man darf like mehr Emphasis auf Schlafen. Schlafen ist sehr wichtig. It's not about the daf, it's about the yomi. Yes. Man nitzt das schon jetzt auf jeder Sache, viele wenn es macht nicht keinen Sinn. Man kommt mich von der Bank. Viggy schon bezahlt nach Rent, the mortgage. It's not about the daf, it's about the yomi. Nächten, Trump hat der Oile mal gewartet auf Trumps Tweet. Wo's geht er sagen, wo's geht er sagen? Lass mal ihm geben, als ich auf, ich will nicht einmal anlangen, Wörter in Samal. Kenneth Najane. It was an interesting night. Saw several missiles over my house. This night. Oh, so y'all gave missiles? For some reason I thought sie nicht gewesen. Donald Trump hat getweet 2:47 p.m. 6/9. Na, was like das jetzt? Oh, it's is pinned. I'm sorry. 6:18. Donald Trump had a tweet. Great poll numbers for Trump. Funny. David will send me something to hear. There won't be any fear. Mit geben a cheer. Just imagine, schreibt, we know exactly where so-called Supreme Leader is hiding. He's an easy target, but is safe there. We are not going to take him out. In parentheses, kill. At least not for now. But we don't want a missile shot at civilians or American soldiers. Our patients are wearing thin. Thank you for your attention on this matter. Come on. I think that's sick. On 6/17, hat geschrieben 12:22 p.m. Unconditional surrender. I like the fact, as a sitting president, can tweeten in Zemeris right away. There's no two ways about it. Brooklyn. Good morning, Brooklyn. What's wrong, Viggy? What's bothering you? Nothing is bothering me. Not that I know of. I'm saying like nothing out of the ordinary. Was before? How are you, Brooklyn? Now you got me intrigued as well. You don't look regular. Is it the weather? On a sugar makeup? Very down. No. Nope. Not that I know of. But thank you for Like looking out for me. But no, not at all. Not that I know of. I don't feel down. I'm saying more down than regular. Ich habe gelernt ein Buch. In dem Buch sagt dass wenn die Geist sieht ein Mensch auf ein Schiff, ja, einer ist auf ein Schiff, arbeitet nicht auf das Schiff, ist ein Passenger, und sagst ihm, oh my God, wie kiekst du aus was? Oder die hast du das Stückel, pale to yourself, are you feeling okay? Kann der Mensch werden actually unheimlich feeling, schlecht und dizzy, because die suggest this. Aber wenn die Geist sieht, ja, Crewmember, und die suchst für den Crewmember, du bist okay, du bist fine, du bist nicht seasick. Lacht von dir, because he knows how it feels. So, are we having the same case over here? But I don't feel down. Kennst an der Energy für Nächten bis Hand ist ein größer Contrast, Ich bin aufgestanden spät. Ich bin gegangen schlafen spät. APVO. But no. Well, I don't feel it, so. But how are you, Brooklyn? 903. Noch mal raufkriechen dem Tree. 7 million free floating shares. Bit much. A bit too much. Nu darf man hoben my crotch. Yossi. Good morning, Yossi. Hello and welcome. No more coffees? No more coffees? Schlägen wir Kaffees in der Früh zusammen. Meinen ist ich auch vergessen. $6.000 a Mensch. Interesting. Thank you, Yossi. Feeling much better. It's a bisschen chilly, but I'm going with a sweater. You better. Mach ein Joke. But, nein, ich habe nicht gehört davon. Ich habe gesehen nur Videos online auf X that people claim, like they say the Israelis als Jiden am Laufen von Israel. The haters von, I guess the airspace is offen von sind nicht du kein Ferries? Einer darf bringen eine große Ferry. Family besucht, dass sie gewähnt some attacks last night. People are traveling through Egypt and in Jordan. Wie ist der nächste Airport? Da haben sich du als eine kleine Town. China Pool. But Brooklyn, ich weiß doch, Menschen nehmen advantage von anderen Menschen, wo man kann. It's one of those things, man can man. And if the people have to pay, if they have the money, why shouldn't they? Why shouldn't they indulge? But ich verstehe nicht, wieso es arbeitet. Wieso kannst du sagen, für einen kenne ich die Price Gouging? Ich habe gemeint, again, in a free capital society. Ich make charge, was ich will, müsste es nicht nehmen. So I don't understand. I don't understand that. Colorful shorts. Good morning, welcome back. Haven't seen you in a while. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Sunrise, yes. Bei uns ist cloudy. But die Woche darf sein, like, the forecast. Wenn wir reingehen zu der Phone. Hand ist cloudy. Ich finde, was eigentlich Regen steht. Thursday Regen. But Friday, morgen geht es an 88 degrees. Friday geht es an sunny in 82. Saturday, 88 degrees. Sunday, 90. Monday, 96. Ja, ich habe gesehen yesterday. Bis gewesen. Aber jetzt ist in der Früh. Es ist ein anderer Geschmack wie. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a nice weather. Yes. It's gonna be a nice weather. Montreal. Ah, bist du in Montreal? Er ist in Montreal. Ich hab dort einen guten Ball. Es schneit, und da kommt in der Schal. Canadian. Bist du Canadian? Bist du Maple Syrup guy? Is the maple syrup? Is the maple syrup? The maple syrup. Listen, as it comes to maple syrup, we got no choice. We gotta make the noise. We gotta wake up the boys. We got maple syrup in the house. Oh no. The USA needs the 51st state. Don't you worry. It's funny, ich habe ein paar Sachen, wo ich gedenk nicht, oder for some reason, ich rief es clicking. It doesn't click in my brain. Und wir können das sagen 1000 Mal, und wenn es kommt zu dem Szenario, gedenk ich nicht. Wie eine Muschel, Dance. Wenn einer sagt mir etwas ist Dance, darf ich fragen, was er meint. Aber schon geht 1000 Mal in wenn man redet von Space-Sachen, Objects, ich tue Sachen wie Dance, and I totally forget all the time. So ich pflege nicht gedenken, wie viele States es do. Aber wenn gemacht hat, kann man sich sagen, in the 51st state, hat es geklickt. That's how I learn things, kids. A bear in a bull market hat man genommen bald a Jahr und a halb, also klicken in meinen Kopf. Didn't really know. I was acting slow. Und na, die kennst mich nicht. Kennen sie an sehr frustrating. Ich lerne mich auch Sachen anders. Wie most people. People that know me, they give me a chance, know that It's just the way how my brain works. In der Mensch, wem ich bin gewinn fortunate enough zu sitzen leben, muss mir a Tropkele. Alles, was ich weiß von Treten, hat mich ausgelernt. Aber ich hab gedacht, Masbe sein, also als klickt nicht, klickt es nicht. Nothing you can do. Sie ist a größe Zoo. Leshunu Abu. Kukariku. Bam, 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 bam. So ja, stein mit ins Du. LSE. LSE. Nicht vergessen, it's absolutely, positively, 100% nicht financial advice. So please be very careful. Der Market hat wegnehmen alles, was du hast. Nicht achillig. Be so die heißt. But you know, it's not normal, but that's how I learn. That's how I learn things. Otherwise, Yankee T. Good morning. How you doing? How was your day so far? How was your morning? How was your morning? Hope it's not boring. I sag mal, it's boring geht. Hand free, jeden in der Früh try ich zu machen a Kaffee. Und ich walk herup zu der Corner von der Gas, wie ich wohne. Und bei der Corner von the next corner von mein Haus is a busy intersection. People making a left up a street. Jeder eine geht zu der Arbeit. So sitze ich dort für 15 Minuten und ich sehe, jeder eine juckt sich zu der Arbeit. So, ich try zu sein grateful jeden Tag. Also ich darf nicht rausgehen. Sie arbeiten, sie einem. Like jeden Tag. And that's just me. There's nothing wrong with going arbeiten. Just für mich ist es gewesen sehr stressful. Ich denke, vielleicht darf man aufstehen 4:59 jeden in der Früh in seiner Arbeit. Man, oh man. Ich meine, ich bin grateful, als ich mir gegeben Arbeit, by my time in need. I'm not gonna... Es hat gut nicht mit ihm. Für wem ich gearbeitet war. Like mein Employer damals. But... Best job. Wie lange ich kann das sustainen, kann ich es sustainen. But if I can't sustain it, then there's nothing really, you know. I'm doing this as long as I can afford to do this. And then it can be my worst nightmare as if I've gone, Hubma J.O.B. So, wenn ich will ich sagen, Schkoich für the people showing up over here, it means a lot. It means more than you could ever imagine. Nächten hat einer gekauft Cake. Und ich bin reingekommen mit Cake. Und ich hab genommen, it was like late, it was after the live. Ich hab gegessen Cake. Und ich suche, du weißt, für 5,5 Euro, because you can't touch a cake or anything. Because ich hab risk in the free. There was some serious risk, you know. So for 5,5 Euro habe ich gegessen gehirig. So, just being grateful this morning and last night for the cake. So will ich geben Schkoich für jeden that shows up, comments, subscribed, wird a member. You know what I mean? If you love what you do, you don't work a day in your life. Yes. Some form to that, yes. So, yes. Wegen dem appreciate ich jede Superchat, jede Subscriber, jede Member, jede Like. Because it really helps me not going out there in the terrible Welt, you know. So, wenn ich so terrible Welt, eine Zung von der Sachen, was bringt mir. If I have to, I have to. Also, zu do Zeiten, was ich bekomme Gigs, you know, which I've been grateful for the gigs. Sally, good morning. How you be? Exactly. That's why I wasn't so jumping to that line. Keeping it real. Agreed. But just imagine hating what you do and you got to do it every day. That's so worse. That's so bad. Ergens wie geht man die Sachen, was man nicht liebt. So. Well, yeah. So thank you again, peoples, for being here. It really means a lot. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to do it. I'm getting ready for the parts of works I don't like. Good one, Sally. 9:21. Are you having fun? Are you? From day 2, Viggy? Meaning? Not true. People love what they do. But I'm not gonna lie, even if you love it, there are still challenges, which doesn't mean you don't love it. Exactly, Yankiti. It's a lot like marriage. I'm making the fun. Ich sag, der Chilik zwischen sein married in sein single is a single dude floated him, let's say, between a 3 and a 8. 3 is a terrible day, and 8 is the most happiest he could be. When you're married, you could be a 10, but you could also be a 1, a 0, and it could be worse. So that's how it works. Yossi. Good morning, Yossi. Hello and welcome. How you doing? What's happening on your side of town? What's brewing? Jealous Graham will tell you different. Yes. It's slivers of moment, forced smiles. And if somebody loves themselves so much, why are you using filters? And also, the people around you do not have the filters. They don't see the filters. So are you not nice to the people around you? That's no good. See what I'm saying? Only the people online. So Livy, they mentioned, was liking videos online with they work out. And then with tight clothing, but they make a video how a guy in the gym looks at them. And I'm like, hello, aren't you putting this on the internet so everybody can see? What are you doing? What are you doing? But obviously, Logic 101 flies out the window. Ich watch einem auf, wie watch ich seine Videos? Ich meine auf X. What's his name? It is a, so wie ein nicht ein is a, no, it is a, het emphatic mensen verslagen zeggen gym videos. What filters are you talking about? The face filters mit als ich gesehen du hast eine neue Sache als Menschen die so gewoon filters, like Down syndrome filters. I think years ago, don't remember exactly, was when we 9:26, 4 minutes market open. So we gedingen naar huis. So nog even at the beginning van Thames River. So we gedingen naar huis in Thames River. En so we dorten voor the weekend, voor Shabbos. The ganze weekend, the ganze Shabbos hat geregnet, es ging cloudy, es ging kalt. Sintig, I would say, 11 Zeiger ist der Sinn herausgekommen für literally 10 Minuten. Und ich sehe einer dort updated a picture, wie man sieht, der Swimming Pool. mit Strawberries, mit a shot, and es kiekt aus Schein. Schreibt Sunday Funday. And I got jealous. And I'm thinking, hold on. Der Mensch ist doch du Leben mich depressed. But so geht es. Sunday Funday. It is stupid. But for a bisschen dopamine, was dit man nicht? What don't we do for dopamine? Dopamine. Yep. And then you start doing things. You buy it for Instagram. Kennst du mal miserable day? Wo die macht das a pose. Und bumski bumski. 14 likes, 30 likes. People are jealous. And boom. That's why I call it jealous gram. Sally, that's not all you're saying. That's what you're saying right now. 9:28. They do a video. Fin Israelis hitting targets, Iranian helicopters. Es ist interessant, dass decken es nicht sieht. Die Israelis geben mal solche Makas. In Tehran, they do huge airstrikes. Für jede Win, vergessen nicht, du Menschen, die haben Feind Jiden. Für jede Bombe, du neue Hatred. So wenn ich sage, you gotta calm it down with the excitement am Gewinnsachen. You gotta really, you know. What's my prediction? Die Sache ist, mit Trump kann man nicht wissen. Gewahrt, die ganze Eulam hat gewahrt, dass soll etwas sagen, hat gerett von den Flags. Von den Flagpoles. Aber man geht zwei. And we don't know, you know. Und was heißt dann angehen in war? Boots on the ground is a different. Just nitzen planes and just bombing the living daylights out of them, maybe. Seltzer guy. Gitten Sie morgen. Hello and welcome. Schkoelfahren Dusan. Schkoelfahren und machen dann zu früh. Zusammen mit Viggy. Ricky. 9:30. Market is open. The market is open. Shalom, shalom. Max Spitz. Good morning. No rain, no rain. It's got to give us some high take. No complaints. Boker Tov, Hebra. We're the people of the books, but we're all opening the news. Well, sorry. See you on the walk. Yes. Thank you, Max. Wie viel steps halt er zo'n tak aan? Ga ook to the corner hand. 1,074 steps. אתה בעולם? באלם? Ich kenne also a bisschen of it. I speak my speak, you know what I'm saying? Gotta speak a little bit better. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-dee-da-pa-pa. $5.46. 5:46. Okay, ich habe das nicht gebeten zu tun, das. Ich habe nicht gebeten. Ich habe nicht gebeten. Jack! Good morning, Jack. Jack, das ist einfach nur eine neue Sache. Das tun einem sagen, geht morgen. Der erste Kammer. Das nicht, I'm sorry. Fangen wir die erste Kammer mit geht morgen. What's the secret? Welcher secret? What am I missing? Come on, tell us all. Tell us all. Jack, ich habe gejumpt in the gun. I do apologize. Zieht zurück, was ich habe gesagt. Wie ich habe geschmiest, vorige Woche. Treibt sich trachten, sie gewesen bei der Lake, oder sie gewesen. There's someone very gracefully lets me use their property. Very gracefully laat mich nutzen the property. One week we sat down, someone gets in the mics, we did everything, and the lawnmower hat sich umgezogen. Meaning to say, the lawn guy, he came and cutting the lawn, ping demels. So we had to pack up, and I called someone asking if I could use his backyard. We nemen we getracht, Jack, van wie die vreegst. Ik heb een poor locations. You know, do that and do that. Try not to give out the locations, because it's not mine to give out, if you know what I'm saying. Somebody sung in him, and we left. I'm just glad the setup since YG, he's taka YG, long time no see YG. I'll go the mics, it's easier. It's just a clippity clip, a zippity zip, and then we left. Yes, Elsa guy, you got it. Not everything in life works the same, you know. Not everything works out the way you want all the time. which is okay. Ich sehe nicht, was nicht. It's not a... I don't see the why not. Sally, we already spoke about this like 2 or 3 months ago. When you said if you're coming to Muncie, you said something that you might want to have a schmitz. You forgot. We already had the discussion. People were like, we want Sally. Why would I not have you on? I mean, again, I just want to say something. Valme record doesn't mean it gets posted. I don't want to say the word a lot, but her recordings that didn't make it to see the sun. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to be lucky, Jack. It works with interest, meaning if you say interesting stuff, people would want to see you, people would want to hear, and people will say, oh, why don't you have Jack on? Perhaps? I'm just saying, it's not about me, per se. As a rule, that what happens. What are you trying to say, Sally? What are you trying to say? Why don't you have Jack on? Why am I not flying a kite now? That's not a... You can't ask that type of question. Why am I not flying a kite? Because I'm not doing it right now. That's fine. Like, he just asked about it. Like, I should already have an hour discussion with him. Come on, people. Use your head. See, Sally, if you have to ask that question, meaning there's no interest built. And Jackson is dafka about dich. I remember when people were asking me as soll Sally on. Happens to be Sally. A few months ago, we spoke about this. It's not like this is not a new concept. And okay, where was I going with this? Oh, I was going with it as when people are interested in the chat and then other viewers were like, oh yeah, let's hear what she has to say or he has to say. It's not after she or he. But Maret and Sally. Can I be blurred out? Yes. You don't have to have your face at all. It's not about your face. It's not about anything. It's about the voice. I used to have a channel. I still have a channel. It's called Secrets Behind the Mic, where the people that spoke were not really visible. Sadly, you can do whatever you need to do. I'm not telling you what to do. Is that what floats your boat? I personally don't want to come on camera. I want to be live there when you have a schmooze with Matas. It's not so glamorous that you think, Jack. I don't mean like it's not... It's just two people speaking. Can you send a link for the channel if it's still up? Someone sent me once an email from it. It's very hard to find. It's called Secrets_Behind the Mic. Let me see if I can find it. It's very hard to find a channel for some odd reason. But if you find it, it has like a little mic. It has like you see a person with a little mic. It should be on. CG, good morning. CG, most probably that's just clicking on top and sets a haram folden. Someone once sent me an email with a channel. Mal sehen, ich kann es treffen. Not gonna look for it now, but so Jack, so verstehst the idea? If people are interested, sie hören, wo die Hosse sagen, that makes sense to bring you up. But otherwise, what is the point? Obviously, Jack feels us is appropriate. Was is do? Is it mehr appropriate, als man weiß, wer sie ist, versus eine, was hat eine andere Nummer und man weiß nicht? Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Sally, we don't have to blur you out. What we can do is put like a slant over your face, or just a, you know, like how they do it in the news when they interview someone that doesn't want to be visaged. Viggy, I don't want to have a schmooze with you. All right. I just want to be alive when you have a schmooze with Matas. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I do get it. I do get it. Chaim. Good morgen, Chaim. How you be? How you be? Wat doet zich met u? Jack, what do you think is happening? Jack, was meinst du geschehen, wenn, like, what do you want to experience? Nice, Chaim. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I want to experience you live. All right. Ich bin nicht so Geschmack in life. I'm quite boring and quite sharp. But Chaim, welcome, welcome. Schön, dich zu sehen, du. Sally, you know the joke they say by, what do you say to a woman or to a man that has his 120th birthday? Enjoy your day. Joseph. Guten Morgen, Joseph. How you be? Schein dir zu sehen, du. Yankee T, testing 1, 2, 3. In sehen wir dich. Is it worth living so long? Good question, Chaim. Good one. How is trading going? Investeren damals. Not so good, not so good. Ich habe gleich die Orders, hat mir gekauft. Ich habe gehabt Fat Fingers, so ich habe genommen eine rote move, but it happens. It happens, it happens. Which is okay. Which is okay. Joseph kommt daran klar. Old Russian babushka. Yeah, that's how you say it? Is this penny stacks? I don't know what qualifies something as a penny stack, so I wouldn't know how to answer you. Intra-dollar ga ich nicht, so. Joseph knows a lot, Chaim. Joseph knows a lot. We should all hell Joseph. We should all Who is Nachi's next guest? I have no idea. I don't know. You got an insight? Do you have an insight? Let us know. Let us know if you have an insight. Penny G. Good morning, Penny G. How you be? Scheint dir zu sein. Komm heran, du und mach dir gut bequem. Komm du, was mir du. Loved your review, Monster. Thank you, Penny. Means a lot coming from you. It does mean a lot. I appreciate. Thank you. I had you on another tab. Ik neem zoek geschoven voor de mensen die hebben op another tab. And it's just a Penny, die is one of the tab holders. Just a post from Nachi that he's looking for people to interview. Maybe go... fix him up. No, Chaim. Not for me. Penny G, like men of andere tab. Sam, good morning. Thank you for being here. Same old crew, yes. But we always welcome new people, Sam. We always welcome new people. Please. And by the way, I got to, nicht personally, But in the Yiddish market, he's going to have issues who to interview because there's not that many people to interview and to open discussions with. Same chive, different day? All right, Sam. But inside big welcome naar. Ich will nicht machen kein Klicks. There's no such thing as clickety clicks, please. What's the difference between Ayatollah nowadays and Shiites? The Houthis and Shiites is also wie Arne Samalai. And the Ayatollah is the dying, right? Is this a joke setup? Sam Bam Wham. Brooklyn's like, we need to figure it out. What's happening? What's the Ayatollah? Yep. Net not einer agreed of the wenn man gemacht the review of Monster. Also hat ihm nicht lieb gehabt, weil gehabt als a pre-situation of him. And boom. Man sucht das Sachen auf Menschen. Menschen haben lieb, sie liken Sachen auf Menschen. But regular people are nicht confused, Chaim. Regular people are nicht confused. Controversial Sachen ist interessant. Ich würde sagen, wenn ich so sagen, wenn ein bisschen mehr besser in a sense, wollte ich es getan. Just I don't, kann ich the readiness. Most did some bad stuff. He may regret it, but it's not that he didn't. Was meint bad stuff? Hat gesagt, dass der certain Wegen, wie unzukommen, for the end goal, seht jetzt ist a mistake, but even can't. Rapara piri 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 piri. Piri 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 piri. YouTube doesn't let me welcome to my channel. What do you mean? G. Hello and welcome. Good morning. What's up? All is goodish. As much as possible. We'll be trying to be grateful today. What's your opinion on the US bombing the Fordo nuclear facility in Iran? Well, Trump hat es gemacht klar. Iran kann nicht haben nuclear weapons. Now the question is this a Iraq war over again, meaning man hat auch gesucht als WMDs and it was never true? Is it that? Or you know what I mean? That is the question. Viggy, man, regular people, if you make good, you have a lot of reviews. Zij reden English. Once the guys that a English is a different, they're different demographic. In zijn met de hartslag. Thank you for the hartslag. Whoever is clicking it in, we see it. We appreciate it. Don't you think we don't see it? In de zaad komt er aan de hart. La 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 la. Can you react to stuff? Meaning? Sam, ich meine, du hast schon lange a membership. The heart is good. The comment. Good one, Chaim. Some do mensen met get a sense of humor. Not gonna lie. I get the sense of humor. React to our reaction about your reaction. To your reaction about stuff. Stuffers. 10:05. MDYCM held in Borough Park. I repeat.
MDYCM held in Borough Park.
In Borough Park. Sally, if you ever want to dress like a man and go there. Sweatshirt. Baggiest sweatpants. Don't worry, they'll think that you're a draggy. Subscribe for coffee. Talk about George Carlin, talking about stuff. Joseph, where are you going with this? Huh? Joseph. Wie you guys met? No BJJ updates. 9. Sadly. Sadly. I don't know. I have a hard time, Chaim. Ich will. But no them. Sadly, you can do it. You don't need to wish. You'll take a bodyguard with you. Somebody that's got your 6. Well, if you want to go experience it, you go disguise. What can you do? Pinigi, test. Test. So wie podcast. Ich kann nicht gar nicht für den Podcast. Martin.
Hello and good morning. Wrong button.
Good morning, Martin. Welcome. Ich kann fahren Sandu in der Früh. Jeder einer, was kommt daran, get a check. Get a check around. It means a lot to me. I'm just saying. Chaim geht gleich heranwachen. 2-3 Menschen unhackende Beine, das ist ungefähr jedem. Do not attack. We got backups. We got backups. But Sally, you can do it. Dirshul. The ending Shas? Is that what you're saying? Rule 1, don't mess with Chaim. If you're ready by rule 1, bist du schon auf dem floor. You know what I'm saying? By the rule, bist du schon auf... You're on the ground. Even when not... Chaim is a danger to himself. Sam is in exile. Will come to exile. We have banished you, Sam, huh? The emissaire Joseph is? Why did the chicken cross the road? Because. You wish that? Chickens don't need no answer. I'm afraid if it takes too far. Well done, I've called the Viggy. Penny. He was afraid of Chaim. He didn't cross the road. He was flopping over. He was getting his weenie out of there. You know what I mean? Chaim gemacht a leg lock and boom. Any reviews coming today in the morning? I don't know. In the free neem ich kein pressure von den Sachen. In the free neem ich kein pressure von den Sachen. Oh, Penny, it's such a good fear. This is such a good fear. Because that shows how real you are. That shows how real you are. So wie zoek mich nicht. So do it in secret. So he can't. He doesn't know how to lie to himself. He doesn't know how to lie to himself. Nothing to do with public, it seems. But he can't see the movements. See the movements. Ich rede zu mir allein, Chaim. Ich such Viggy to the movements. Hat gut nicht mit Chaim. Let's be real. Es ist nur ein Spiel. That's it. I need to go. I need to sign up. I need to do it. And fertig. It is life-changing. That's it. Hand gaat man es gaan noch mal loschecken. Mit sehen, wie sie mir viel Hand. Let's make a life together. That would be interesting. When I began in New Orleans, I getroffen dort at school. One of the reasons I wanted to move back to New Orleans was for that school. What a school. That was one amazing school. Sind nicht du also ich sag Menschen, die reden Yiddish, Chaim. That's the problem. There's not a lot of people who reden Yiddish. Ich finde alle Menschen, die reden Yiddish, das ist nur ein kleiner Percentage, was geht wollen watchen, down channel. In martial arts kann man verstehen in Englisch auch. So es ist was es gibt für dir, du willst machen a channel, and you'll have to explain things, you're gonna get better. That's one of the benefits of helping other people. Is because die hast es durchschmissen. So, für dein eigener Days kannst du es tun. But Yiddish is don't think about it as a living. You get what I'm saying? Ba-dee-da-dee-da-dum. Oh, something. Ich habe es gesehen, ich habe nicht verstanden, pinklich, was geht dort vor. Halt mit dem Treten, so. We'll see here in a minute, but... To get better at making a class for kids. Nice, yes. Sie masbezahn, Menschen sollen der fragen Kashas in Anleigen, die in certain positions, sie verstehen, like, oh, why do I do this? How do I do that? Vor COVID, the school, was ich bin gewesen in Brooklyn Jiu-Jitsu, in Brooklyn, is Brooklyn Jiu-Jitsu, after all, haben sie gemacht, like 2 months before COVID, they made a class, Thursday nights, sie auslernen, wie soll man lernt aus. And I was really going for it, and then they damn COVID is angekommen. Flattening the curve, they said. You can open up a martial arts class in the community. Meh. That I don't know. That I don't know. But in English, there's enough people. But in Yiddish, and ich do genig. In by the way, in Jiu-Jitsu, it's a very close. Ich ga trying to sound respectful, though. I'm on it. It's Jiu-Jitsu device desire a closed combat. Zaire one-on-one with someone, and it takes a very long time till people understand it, was it is. And so it's even an Platz. Kannst machen auf YouTube Videos und kannst sehen, wieso der Oilem nimmt das, like how the people are receiving it. MCETS. Hello and welcome. The question is, gaan du wirst even an Platz oder du wirst ihn online on YouTube? YouTube kannst du sehen, wieso der Oilem those, so you have to build a formula. Can't wait for this week's Matas portion. Oh, nice. Again, ich like kein pressure auf Matas. Matas hat a life, Matas hat Arbeit, Matas hat a family. So if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. If it does happen, it does happen. But I'm ready. I just want to say that, you know? Ich denke, wenn ich umgehe Jiu-Jitsu. Sally, thank you for being here even 3 minutes. Ich denke, wenn ich umgehe, aber ich dadurch mit meinem Sensei a lot of things, like wieso ich feel and how things are going, and I took me with time it will go away. In Jiu-Jitsu is a close combat Zach that it took me like 2-3 months, and then I was just, yeah. The Sache ist, Chaim, kannst du my video, and you can see how the Oilem perceives it, how, you know, there's no real answer. Keine kann nicht geben kann, it's TS nicht. You gotta do it and see. But it's nicht du kann market. Chaim. Did you choke someone and got the tap? When it comes to Jiu-Jitsu, you get tapped out and you tap out other people. There's not a single person in Jiu-Jitsu that's never gotten tapped. And the more die base tap, the better it is. I remember when I came back from New Orleans, I joined a school in Muncie, and I didn't like that school. And ich fange roll mit einem, and ich habe nur gesehen der aggression. You know, there was like a, oh, ich bin besser. Der Rege ist umgekommen, like sort of to a position, boom, aber ich gebe mal tap. Kijkt me gewoon like, why are you tapping? So, because ich darf nicht dann aggression. Menschen sind sehr aggressive. Simcha. You can start marketing with good PR. Even by the kids program, the partners shouldn't teach too wrong. Man fängt Koiden unzuhalten mit der starken Foundation, you know? Shia, hello and welcome. Ich habe umgehoben mit Krav Maga, and I did that for 8-9 months, and then I went into the city, and boom, boom, makas. Kidding. Give some motivation, please. Tap Haran. Vito. You say on your status you are grateful that you don't work. So what do you do the whole day? I guess that's when shows get Martin my ganze status. And let's keep my status away. What I'm saying is, dass ich darf nicht gehen zu der Arbeit. Für 5,5 Uhr habe ich gedacht, fuhren in gehen zu arbeiten, which was not good for my anxiety. So, and I'm grateful that things change. Jeden Tag I'm grateful. So ich walk up to the corner for my gas to see other people. Simcha, what's going on, Simcha? What is the challenge today? What do you want to do that you feel like you cannot do? Time to give some motivation. Starting the engine. Let's go. Simcha, same push-up, Simcha. 3, 2, 1, go. Auch at diesen Dachaim, was man lernt nicht aus Kinder Jiu-Jitsu, is because it's sehr dangerous. You gotta have a lot of trust. Als wenn die Guy steppen, geht die einer uplosen. I'll give some motivation that I'm still in bed here in Jerusalem. Get out from bed. I feel this is a schlep. Let's go. There will be no regrets. Come on. Simcha Rez. But this is auch wichtig. Man darf sein sehr sensitive. You gotta be very sensitive. Down. Und auch wenn die fangst tun, feels sehr awkward die ganze Zeit, because you're not really sure what's happening or what you're doing. You know, you're on the floor. You don't need jiu-jitsu to go out. You just need to get out. Ochet is the jiu-jitsu. Let's go. Get out of bed. Die stärkste, die Geist raus, der Tag, wo die das nicht rausgehen. Der Tag, wo die das rausgehen, would be easier. Did you ever go to competition? I got ein competition and I was terrible. Terrible. Wenn Bechlal nicht geht auf... Ich bin nicht genug aggressive. I'm not that aggressive. You gotta be very aggressive to competition. Not so you can get hurt by competitions, because people train. Ich bin gegangen to a competition school for 2-3 Tage, and I didn't like it. Because the way they were teaching you how to do jiu-jitsu was only on competitions, and how to sort of like nicht cheat, but cheat the system, and be aggressive. And not for me. Staying away. Stand away. Ich will es kennen, because I want to do it my whole life in a sense. You can go to other countries, you can enjoy other people. I get a role. I see old people doing it. Very few martial arts in the world you can see old people doing. Because you get older, you slow down, you know? And kick on the joys was mentioned was Tianas what 10-15 you would have with it. Like there's a certain joy, there's a certain Simcha, bist du schon motiviert? Come on. Simcha, that was for you, Simcha. Are you motivated? Mit ein bisschen elevated. I'm being patient. I'm being patient. Lass mal sehen, der größte Pap. Let's go. In sich mal fahre Pap, wenn mich lang nicht kann drauf. Let's go, ich darf kein Hand in the coffee shop. Come on, it's a Wednesday, it's the middle of the week. Morgen ist ein Donnerstag. I'm 1 month away to a yellow star. What do you mean? Geworden so motivated. He's out of here. He's out of here. Yankee, was meint das? Yankee, keep me in the loop. Und sehen wir den Herzlichen rankommen. Simcha Rez is schon so energized. He's bouncing off the walls. Bidi bidi bim 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 bim. Bidi bidi bim 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 bim. Do you see or feel? Nope. Or feel? How would I feel that? Nope. But sehen wir der Herzliche rankommen. We're seeing the love coming in from above. We see it's tough. But come on, Simcha Rez. Get out there. Stop punching. The numbers crunching. Alright, ich meine schon Simcha. Schon genug motiviert waren. Ba-da-da-da. Ooh, ba-da-da-da. Sehen wir die Party Hats. Man sagt, man geht sich ein Chaperan als ein kleiner sad face. Because the fingers. But we forgive you. I guess it's von dir, huh? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying, Yankee. Fire. Nein, sag mir etwas ein bisschen wild. Nein. Jetzt gehen wir zurück an die CD. Hold on. Oh, good choice. Good idea, Shia. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Howell from Slowly Green, I agree. Hi, Regen. במזרח שמש עד מבויוי והיא לא שם השם כמה כל גויים על השמיים כבוידוי Ba-da-da-dum. Dee-da-da-da-dum. Shkoyach Shia for the recommendation. Mekimi mayo fardo. Mekimi mayo fardo. Mekimi mayo fardo. Johan. Yuri Mavion. Mekimi mayo fardo. Mekimi mayo fardo. Mekimi mayo fardo. Mayash boys. Yuri Mavion. Mekimi mayo fardo. 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 Mayo fardo. Mayo fardo. Nice here. Beis Yaakov meyam lo yes. Hoy su yehidu. Tala kocho. Yisru anamam shelo yeso. Hayam ruvu vayu nois. Hayam dai desoy leyo v'choy. Izzy. Good morning, Izzy. Himalechu ayom kisunes. Yisrael leyom v'choy. Ehurim nigadi cheyelim. Givu es kivnei tzoy. Himalechu ayom kisunes. Yisrael leyom v'choy. Ehurim nigadi cheyelim. Givu es kivnei tzoy. Melivnei yovodon Yoretz Lifnai Elokai Yaakov Oifchi Atzira Gamo Oyem Chalomesh Lemay Noy Oyem Osh Da-da-da-da Izzy, haben wir aufgestanden in Semedo. Wie viele Menschen sind nicht aufgestanden haben? Wie viele Menschen sind nicht du? Sruel betab Hashem Ezrom mimoginomu Israel, Israel, betar b'Hashem. Ezra mimagenom, Israel, Israel, betar b'Hashem. Israel, 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 betar b'Hashem. Israel, 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 Rami Maginome. Israel, la 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 la, Israel, Gates to the Simcha, I guess. La 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 la. Pow, 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 pow. One of the greatest mixes. One of the greatest mixes. What a great mix. We can feel that we're being free. Lashem ki yitov ki leyoyelam leoyelam chazdoi. Lashem ki yitov ki leyoyelam leoyelam chazdoi. Hoidi Lashem ki yitov. Mistam nicht in der Früh. Ki leyoyelam leoyelam. Kille yo yelam le oilam chazdoi. Hayya l'Shem ki tov kille oilam. Ra pa 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 pa. Abba. Inamai tzar kurusika ununi ba merchavko. Ina mai tsar kurusika ununi ba merchavko. Oy mina mai tsar kurusika ununi ba merchavko. Mina mai tsar kurusika ununi ba merchavko. Oy mina mai tsar kurusika ununi ba merchavka. Come on, Simcha. Be Simcha Rez. Kurusika ununi ba merchavka. Mina mai tzar kurusika ununi ba merchavka. Mina mai tzar kurusika ununi ba merchavka. Mina mai tzar kurusika ununi ba merchavka. Digga 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 da, digga 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 da. Come on. Let's go. Ino mo.
Hashem, Loi Meimo,
Yemin Hashem. Lo Yisuchoyim.
Yemin Hashem,
Oy veino. Yemin Hashem. Lo Yisuchoyim. Ra pa 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 pa. Toby.
Hello and welcome.
Further reacted resort. Nice mountain scenery. Israeli, Shaddai Tzedek Ovoivom, Oidek Ovozeh Ashar,
Lashem,
Tzadikim Yavoyivon. La 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 la. Ay ra ra la 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 la. Easy, guide off to the top fan button. Hit us. En nog eens te zijn een question mark op de linkerzijde. Dat is de masber wat ze is. Da-da-da-da-da.
Bischili, Shari Tzedek,
Voy, 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 deko. Bischili, Shaddai Tzedek.
Moideko, Zeh Lashem, Tzadikim
Yavo yivoy. Bischili, Lashem. Tzadikim yavo yivoy. Pa, para, 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 para.
Bischili, Shari Tzedek, Moideko, Zeh Lashem, Tzadikim Yovoivo, Zeh Lashem, Tzadikim
Yavo yivoy. Bino Mashiach, Ono Hashem Maslichonu.
Ono Hashem Moshiach, Ono Hashem Ono Hashem Moshiach, Ono Hashem Maslichonu, Ono Hashem Moshiach, Ono Hashem Maslichonu.
Even of the tear from me, even of the tear from me, even of the tear from me, even of the tear from me. Ba 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 la 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 la. Ba. Heaven of the tear from me, heaven of the tear from me. Heaven of the tear from me. Heaven of the tear from me, heaven of the tear from me, heaven of the tear from me. Heaven of the tear from me, heaven of the tear from me. Heaven of the tear from me. I must say, one of the nicest mixes out there. Pinny Jeep mir geschickt ein Video. Ich habe gesehen ein bisschen davon, aber ich habe nicht verstanden, was geht vor. So lassen wir das watchen. Shabbos is shine. It's Lonemer's wedding. Okay? Kijk hoe de Heverman doet react. Doe dat Heverman was react. Funny how react. Ich hab's einmal. The oilem is coding against it. Das koiden a gitte lesson. Koiden schreien Menschen against it. Koiden Menschen, nein, sag still. Und nur dann, wenn der Feier sind sich und sagt man, oh, wie gerecht er gewesen. Du ist tak nur gewesen, like 2-3 seconds, wie der Oil mir gewesen akegen. But that doesn't mean, at die stretched aus der time, as viel wie a Woche oder 3 Wochen, the Oil will come around. Der Mensch du hinten schämt sich. Schäm dich nicht. De Weg, wieso du kannst judgen a Rebbe, is kick auf seine Gaboom. The Gaboom have like a certain Schlechtigkeit zu sich. Pinergy hat es geschickt. Jetzt all of a sudden, the oil is geherig ungezint. The oil is on fire. Well, risk and reward. Er genommen a riesige chance. And he, der Oilem beigt sich ziehen, man geht ihm, jetzt ist jeder sein Freund. Jetzt ist jeder eine, ja, sie haben eine gute Idee. Wenn man umgehen in der Video, ist jeder gehen, scha, still, boom. La la la. Gitarlesson. Man kann sich lernen eine Gitarlesson von ihm. Das ist auch noch geschehen in like 2-3 minutes. But in life, at the fuel steppers is epic. Don't give up. Don't fall through the cracks. Don't give it a back. You know what I'm saying? Ra-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa. Shia is due. I'll be back in a minute. Shia, sorry to hear. Sorry to hear, but at least mal getroffen the body. At least mal getroffen the body. Crazy. Izzy, have a lovely one. Ska för när förla ranka med du aminet. Se zair geschmack. Digga digga dum bum 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 bada bum 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 bidi 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 bum 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 bum.
Welcome to my world. DJ.
Going live tonight? Yes, Wednesday, 8 Zeige. Going live tonight. Tonight, 8. Let's go. Nice, Izzy. As long as it's busy. That's good. Darf couldn't kennen mehr von sich. Was kann ich von trying? Means a lot. Sim meint das auch. I feel me get a lot. Thank you, Pinny, for wasn't in a video. I really do appreciate it. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Shkoyach for test.
אני רוצה לראות פה אנשים שמזיעים כי יש כאן אחלה מסיבה אנחנו
Wow, kijk on de airstrikes. Wow. We get azelige makkers for Iran. I wonder how they're gonna survive. Or they won't. Laat maar reageren door wat Trump zegt.
What do you say to the supreme leader of Iran who says that they will not surrender?
Say good luck.
Oh,
And what is the end
Run
game?
out with Iran. Say it. When does your patience run out?
It's already run out. That's why we're doing what we're doing.
You think you could take out
And they have 60 days and a big, 60 days, plenty of time.
a big 60 days.
And they made a mistake. Honestly, they made a mistake.
If the U.S. does strike
Their
nuclear
country's in
facilities,
ruins. So many people are dead that shouldn't be dead. It's a very sad thing. Let's watch this.
what do you say to the supreme leader?
Okay. Hopefully it is nicht noch a Iraq type of liegend, was man uns verkauft. Als du WMDs. De letzte Mensch geht raus von Iran, so loslassen die Lights. Geht. Good one, Shia. Supposedly is this a ghost town dort. The question is, sie Amerika hat gehen in Aruba, sei sie haben die ein Nuclear Facility, was ist, was, again, ich weiß nicht nur, was ich gehört, also als Israel kann es nicht kennen. Which can sound crazy. I guess he doesn't feel that safe. I would say most probably Fangt sich ungesegnet für seine Family. Trump needs to make up his mind. I think he made up his mind. I think he's just playing games. He's leaving it to Iran to let them play. Chaim, thank you for being here till now. Thanks for deine Brüches. Thank you. Same to you. Means a lot coming from you. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. The Israeli DJs are not. I don't know. I'm not finding them to be as good. Tove, yeah. So, gaan we gereden hand van traden. I would give myself a B+ hand, which is up from a D-. A C. Is C de weinigste? Bijna C is de weinigste of a test. Well, I was a D- the last few days. I had a fat finger issue, but I recovered, which was great. Which I'll take that as a win. In der Sache ist mit dem, als jeden Tag wird man gewohnt, auf neue Sachen muss man da arbeiten auf sich. You know, every day you think, oh, I got this, I got that. Und dann boom. Werd aber getroffen met Eidele Yid, een Manager von einer Store. Und sucht mir, zu mir gerät, wegen Arbeiten auf Middags, in Arbeiten auf sich. Hat gesagt, ja, wenn wir dit 40 Tage etwas, sag ich ihm, okay, let's say die arbeitest auf Kass. Das ist schon kein Kass. Die arbeitest nur, du kannst nur arbeiten auf Kass, wenn du bist in Kass. So lassen wir sagen, bis 10 Minuten in Kass, und die arbeitest auf der 1 Minute. Weißt du, meint 40 Tage? Das ist noch besser. You know, natürlich du 24 hours. Okay, die schläfst für 8. Meaning to say is, als nimmt das Sache accumulative hours zu arbeiten auf dein Kass. Und bis der 40, 70, 80, it takes time. So sag du. Ich will besser in Stage 1, sehe ich Stage 2, Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4. But MCTS, by the way, thank you for the nächtige comment. I was really feeling shitty a little, to be honest. The market is all green at the moment. I just need to get better. That's it. Simple pimple on that. By now, sugar. Toby, I can trade here in the U.S. Israeli equities. Wieso is the market in Israel? The market in Israel, the economy, misnemen a huge hit, weil alles heeft gemacht. I mean, how is it robust if things are closed? Maybe the overall market, because war bringt Geld. War hat als aan mijn weg vind waschen Geld. ראש השנה יומן, רבי נחמן מיומן, ראש השנה יומן. פרמן, עם רבינו רבי נחמן. 11:06. No internet in the dance schrijft hij. Rabbi Nachman Meuman. Jetzt dreht er auf VWAP. Auf VWAP. This heißt a falling knife. Gegangen von $12 zu $6. Ich habe gehabt dabei, du bei $6.41, so hat man gekauft bei $9.64. Ich bin $69 down, mit 25. Und ich bin auf Hold. Wenn du trade auf VWAP, und wir sehen sehr close hinter VWAP. Toby, have a lovely and awesome day. Thank you for being here, even a few minutes.
כי בסוף היא אתה
Never happened if I was president. Putin would have, Russia, Ukraine is so stupid. Would have never happened if I was president. You guys agree with that, right? Would have never happened if I was president. Putin would have never done it. And I spoke to him yesterday, and I said, he actually offered to help mediate. I said, do me a favor. Mediate your own. Let's mediate Russia first, okay? I said, Vladimir, let's mediate Russia
Vladimir.
first. You can worry about this later. But I think that's going to work out too. But it's so many people have been killed. The big thing with that one is far more people are dead than have been reported in the Ukraine, Russia. Many, many more people. A building falls down, they say nobody was hurt. It's like ridiculous.
And it's kind of sad.
Russia, Ukraine is so stupid. Would have never happened if I was president. You guys agree with that, right? Would have never happened if I was president.
Ich hoffe, für jeder eine, was so geliked. I really appreciate it. APVO gegangen van $12, 12.22 to 6.88. Just like that, Trevor. Von dort kann man gehen, viel machen, als auch Geld zu verlieren, alles. Von du in Water kann man gehen, essen, alles. Mit sein zufrieden, von der Husten Kalle. Mit fragen, was ist die Schale? Gold is noch 3,400. Bitcoin 104. I'm gonna put my life savings in the stock. Guys, it's lagging in the zip. You're gonna eat the stock. Is that what's happening? Weißt du, was ist funny, Joseph? Einer, was leicht weg Life Savings, usually tut nicht solche Moves. Es ist einer, was nicht weggeleift Life Savings. Sucht da solche Comments. I'm just saying, wieso sie kickt aus ein bisschen. $4X. Ich habe ein Kicker über noch sehe. Also ein kleiner Herzlich. Wer geht der Herzlich dort? Don't be shy. Kim, du sag mir. Eine geht an der Herzlich da. We see it. We see it. We seeing it. We feeling it. Don't be shy. Dee-da-dow. Dee-da-da-dow-dow-dow-dow-dow. Dee-da-dow-dow. Ding ding down down. Ding ding da down da 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 down. Down, 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 down. Joseph, wie ist dir gemacht an Life Savings? What did you do? Gearbeitet in einer Bakery oder so? Fühlt nicht gut, he might have the flu. Sag betrachtet, wie haben sie gewiss, sie machen Teilnahme? Wie haben sie gewiss, dass jeder einer hat der Herrig derselbe Weg? What a gamble. Ah, 11:15. 11:15. JB, good morning. JB, good morning. JB, how are you? Seems like New York is the new London the past few days. What's going on? Sie gewähnen ein bisschen Stabbings. Wir gemacht ein bisschen Grabbing. Sie haben Stabbings? Wir gegangen mit Zeigers? Mit der angenehmen Migrants? It's raining, raining, raining. So guys, give me a China take, Hevra. It's gonna come some nice days. It says 90 degrees. So don't give up now. Don't give up now. Don't get all brunched up on your britches. Thursday, rain. Damn it. But 88 degrees though. Friday is gonna be 82 and sunny. 82 and funny. A little bit. It's gonna be a little sunny. Tum 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 da 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 tum tum. Hopefully the week will be nice already. Pushing off camping for the last week because of the weather. Dave Ogdaf is on sick through the weekend. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be slick. Before you know it, the summer is over. Oh, I know. I feel you. I taka feel you, to be honest. Last year and 2 years ago, jede weekend, jede Shabbos, Friday at least, hat geregnet. Kamat jeder. Because I was working on going camping. And boom. Schön traumatized. Einer hat mich actually gefragt, ich will gehen camping die Woche. Ich wollte sagen ja, but for some reason, aber ich kann geduld zu gehen. So it's like, I don't know, I like being home, you know? Ich bin a homebody, but ich habe auch lieb camping, but it's one of those. Explains your travels, yes. Rain hat sich auch die Gitter-Sachen, like, but nicht wenn du willst travelen. But I get a terrace if you're looking for a terrace, you know? Die sich da terrace nicht gehen travelen so wie mir. You're like, oh, it's raining, boo, yay. Like, wenn einer fragt mit sich, ich will gehen somewhere, und ich gebe einen Kick auf das, und steht Regen, gehe ich, oh, yay, freut sich ein bisschen. Let's be real. Let's be real. Und auch, ich bin nicht echt ein größer Traveler. But hey. La 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 la. Dee da la 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 dee da la la. A little movie groovy. Vamos sehen, was jetzt mit dem. Treffen some good music. Gotta find some good music. Moishe, I don't know what your last name is, but hello and welcome. Pipik. Pip. I'm sorry. Oh, ich habe es nicht pronounced. I do apologize. What gender do I like? Meaning? Wen sucht man guten Morgen? Wen sucht man hello or almost good evening? That's by us. How is it by you? Like, wie stark ist das Zielgerät von dem? Mit der Pie. Alright. Will not stand between you. What type of music ich lieb? Sie wendet sich auf the mood. Also ich will sein auf a groove. Ich connect das auch zu Yiddish music, so I do listen to Spanish music because I verstehe nicht the lyrics. And I would say like 60 to 70% of that music is good. Because I don't understand. Guten Morgen. Hi Obi, hi du. Sie bechlall nicht du kannst so. Oh, nice. It's like I darf nicht verstehen exactly, was I sagen. Nein, Rega. Das sagt man, kann man singen. I'm sure Wörter, was nicht verstehen wir nicht, singen wir, it's like a ganze... Have you tried learning Spanish? I downloaded apps, but I never really... Ich denke, ich habe früher getouched on things that wegen... als klickt nicht in meinen Kopf. That's what I mean. Takes a long time for me things to click. This is some Spanish guitar. Come on, sag mal, das würde ich machen, moven. You want to get loose. You want to lose yourself in the music. Mi amor meint my love, right? Mi amor. Come here, mi amor. That's right. I want to dance with you under the stars in the night as the sky. We will dance the night away. And let's go. We'll do the cha-cha. Whatever this is. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Oro-ba-di-bi-bi-di-bi-di-bi-dum. Ba-di-da-dum, dee-da-da-da-dum, dee-da-dee-da-da-dum, dee-da-dum, dee-da-da-dum. MCTS, du kannst, do you know Spanish? You speak in Espanol. Down, down, down. MCTS. Thank you for being here. Much appreciate your comments, your presence. Appreciate you. Have a lovely and awesome day. Have a lot of success. All the best. Ich will noch mal iteraten, as I do appreciate everybody. Das macht der Effort, du zu sein. It means a lot to me. So, thank you. Is he on the name? Slow it down. Bring it to a halt. Alright. Sie kommen die Zeit, man darf sich segnen. Sie kommen die Zeit, man darf sagen goodbye. It's kein nicht easy, no matter how many times I try. Ich will geben Schkoll für jeder, was du gehen für eine lange Zeit, für eine kurze Zeit, für the whole time. Für die Devs haben wir umgezogen auf eine andere Tab. Inge macht mir gut die eine Tab. Thank you, Avrumi. Ich meine dir. Ich will geben Schkoll für alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, Subscribers and Members. I really do appreciate it. That's what keeps the channel actual going. So thank you for that. Housekeeping. Hand 8 Zeiger live. Ich will unhalben mit Srully Greens video. Srully Greens video. We'll see how that goes. Ook het als ik wil schicken heb voor de unboxing. Ik ga gepinde address. En met het gaan ook checken, eenmaal een woche checken gewoon de box daten. Zijn wat ze doen gekomen. Alright, this is done with housekeeping. Thanks all for being here. Hope you guys have a wonderful, awesome day. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.